Welcome everyone. Today, we will explore the ultrastructure of the human oocyte, the largest human cell and the female gamete. Understanding its structure is crucial for fertility, IVF, and early embryo development. The oocyte is the largest human cell, about 120 micrometers in diameter, rich in cytoplasm and organelles to support the early stages of embryo development. It is surrounded by protective and supportive layers, each with specific roles. Key structures to focus on are zona pellucida, corona radiata, ulemma, plasma membrane, cytoplasm, ooplasm, and organelles. Meiotic spindle. These structures work together to ensure successful fertilization and embryonic development. The zona pellucida is a glycoprotein coat, approximately 15 to 20 micrometers thick, surrounding the oocyte. Proteins present are ZP1, ZP2, ZP3, ZP4. ZP3 is the primary sperm receptor. It triggers acrosome reaction. ZP2 is for secondary binding. It stabilizes spermoocyte binding. Functions of zona are species-specific sperm recognition and binding. It blocks polyspermy and protects the oocyte embryo until implantation. The corona radiata is the innermost layer of granulosa cells surrounding the oocyte. It provides nutrients and signaling molecules via gap junctions and facilitates sperm penetration during fertilization. The ulemma is the plasma membrane of the oocyte and plays a key role in sperm binding and fusion. It contains receptors for sperm recognition. Also initiates the cortical reaction, preventing polyspermy. It is rich in microvilli, which increase the surface area for sperm fusion. The cytoplasm, or ooplasm, contains all the machinery needed to support early embryonic development. It stores maternal mRNA, proteins, and ribosomes. Organelles inside are mitochondria, which is clustered and supplies ATP for energy. Endoplasmic reticulum stores calcium, releases it during fertilization. Cortical granules, beneath ulemma, release enzymes during fertilization to prevent polyspermy. Cytoplasmic maturity determines oocyte quality. The meiotic spindle aligns chromosomes during meiosis II, located just beneath the ulemma on the polar body side. Proper orientation of meiotic spindle is critical during intracytoplasmic sperm injection, as spindle damage can cause aneuploidy. Errors in spindle function can result in chromosomal abnormalities in the embryo. Polar bodies are byproducts of meiotic division. First polar body is extruded after meiosis I. Second polar body is extruded after fertilization, completion of meiosis II. These serve as markers of oocyte maturity. Understanding oocyte ultrastructure is vital in reproductive medicine and IVF. Zona defects leads to fertilization failure, may require assisted hatching. Cytoplasmic immaturity results in poor fertilization, embryo arrest. Spindle abnormalities lead to aneuploidy, failed intracytoplasmic sperm injection. Mitochondrial dysfunction can cause poor embryo quality, implantation failure. By studying the oocyte's structure, clinicians can predict fertility outcomes and optimize ART success. In summary, the oocyte is a highly specialized cell designed to support fertilization and early embryonic development. Key components are zona pellucida, corona radiata, ulemma, cytoplasm and cortical granules, meiotic spindle, polar bodies. Each structure is crucial. Any defect can affect fertilization, embryo quality, or developmental success, making this knowledge essential for embryologists, clinicians, and students alike. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more educational content. If you want more videos on specific topics in obstetrics and gynecology, reproductive medicine and surgery, embryology or gynae endoscopy or any chapter in any book, leave your suggestions in the comments. Remember, stay curious, keep learning, and take care. Thank you for watching.